Interchangeably called bed sores, pressure ulcers, or decubitus ulcers, a pressure sore is a wound that forms when pressure and force are unrelieved on specific parts of the body. Over time, the body's natural circulation is shut off, and the tissue in the area begins to die, forming an open wound. When advanced pressure sores develop, patients are at risk for complications such as infection, gangrene, osteomyelitis, sepsis, or even death. According to a recent study of nursing home patients with stage 4 pressure sores, nearly 70% died due to complications from the wounds. While any patient with limited mobility may be at risk, elderly patients in nursing homes and hospitals remain most at risk. Factors which may exacerbate the development of pressure sores include immobility, incontinence, malnutrition, and dehydration. It's far easier for a medical facility to implement preventative measures to prevent pressure sores than it is to heal an open wound. Common preventative measures include regularly repositioning patients, ensuring adequate nutrition and hydration, encouraging activity, and keeping patients clean and dry. Many pressure sores are the result of improper medical care and neglect. When a patient suffers an injury due to negligent care, they may have a right to recover monetary damages from the facility. Rosenfeld Injury Lawyers has experience litigating pressure sore cases and recovering the maximum compensation that the law allows. For a complimentary case evaluation, contact our office today.